Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve your issues on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to TikTok. Here in this window of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, then you can turn off your phone, and you can wait to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.